diytaj motor medics. I've got a Land Rover Discovery here on a 2016-2017 plate. Just doing a number plate bulb. If you look at it, I've already replaced this one, so this is done. This one here is not working, so that's what we're going to be replacing. Switch your lights off, please. All you need is a flat screwdriver. If you slot your screwdriver in there, push it this way first, and then pull it towards you. So down. Okay, that's not doing it. Okay, that's it. So it's out. So you've got to be very gentle. And then once you've got it down, take it out all the way. Then you've got the plug here for the bulb. So you take the bulb out. Now you will find this bulb part number in the description as well, with a link on it. So you can click it where to buy them from as well. And you just put the bulb back in. I'm going to slot this back in as well. Now there's only one way they would go as well, so make sure you get this right. So this one is from this side, that one there is from the other side. If you can switch the lights on, please. That's it. Now you can see they're both working. Lights off. All you now do is you slot it in. That's it. And then do the same thing on this side as well. So you just got to push it in. That's it. Lovely. Lights on. One more time. That's it. That's all you got to do on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, please do let us know. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like the video. Thank you and good.